In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically forward all emails from Gmail to an Outlook email account. By the end, every new email that lands in your Gmail inbox will automatically show up in Outlook, so you can manage everything from one place. First, open Gmail and sign in. In the top right corner, click the gear icon to open Settings, then choose See All Settings. This takes you to the full settings dashboard where forwarding lives. Along the top, find and click the Forwarding and Pop IMAP tab. This is where Gmail controls how your mail is forwarded or accessed by other apps. In the forwarding section, click Add a forwarding address. When prompted, type your Outlook email address, which is the destination where you want your Gmail messages to be sent. Click Next, then Confirm. Gmail will now send a verification message to that Outlook address to make sure you own it. Head over to your Outlook inbox and look for the confirmation email from Gmail. Open it and click the verification link inside to approve forwarding. If you don't see the message right away, give it a moment and check folders like junk, spam, or other. Searching for the word Gmail can help you find it quickly. Once you've clicked the link and confirmed, your Outlook address is verified. Return to Gmail settings. If the page was already open, refresh it so Gmail recognizes the verification. Back under Forwarding and Pop IMAP, select Forward a copy of incoming mail to and choose your verified Outlook address from the drop-down menu. You'll also see an option for what Gmail should do with its own copy, such as keeping it in the inbox or marking it as read. If you're unsure, keeping Gmail's copy in the inbox is a safe default so you always have a backup. Now scroll all the way to the bottom and click Save Changes. This step is essential. Forwarding won't activate unless you save. You should see a brief confirmation that your settings have been updated. From now on, new Gmail messages will automatically appear in your Outlook account. Keep in mind, forwarding applies to incoming mail going forward. It doesn't retroactively send old emails. If you don't see new messages in Outlook after a bit, double-check that the forwarding address is verified and that the Forward a Copy option is selected and saved in Gmail. That's it. You've set up automatic forwarding from Gmail to Outlook in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching.